Do you have a question before I sing? Ako magtatanong sa'yo. Ulahan mo, bakit ako nakasalan? Ayun. Kasi malamang hindi ko kakayanin ang kantang to. In a dream, it would seem I went to those who closed the open door, turning the key. I said and spoke to those inside of me. They answered my questions with questions, and they pointed me into the night, where the moon was a star-painted dancer, and the world was just a spectrum of light. There reached to my center of reason, and pulled on the touchstone that stared. The shock of the light had me reeling, and I fell into the depths of despair. Ito ang kantang kinakatakutan ng mga estudyante. Questions, because they don't know the answer. Or malamang wala silang kodigo o wala silang makopyahan dahil wala ako. Joke lang. Anong answer mo sa question number 1? Because wala eh. Ikaw ano? Turning the key, I said and spoke to those inside of me. They answered my questions with questions, and they sent me to stand on the brink, where the moon and the sun were as brothers, and all that was left was to think. They answered my questions with questions, and they pointed me into the night, and the power that bore me had left me alone to figure out which way was right. Bakit mali ang lyrics? Kulang. O baka ako ang nagkukulang? Ang daming questions, ano? Ang daming questions sa buhay na tanging puso lang daw ang makakasagot. At hindi kayang sagutin ng mga tanga.